I never saw a discontented tree. They grip the ground as though they liked it, and though fast-rooted, they travel about as far as we do. The power of imagination makes us infinite. I'd rather be in the mountains thinking of God than in church thinking about the mountains. Go where you may within the bounds of California. Mountains are ever in sight, charming and glorifying every landscape. Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you, and the storms their energy, while cares will drop away from you like the leaves of autumn. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. The mountains are calling, and I must go. Thousands of tired, nerve-shaken, over-civilized people are beginning to find out that going to the mountains is going home. That wildness is a necessity. The world's big, and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark. And into the forest I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. I only went out for a walk and finally concluded to stay out till sundown, for going out, I found, was really going in. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. I am losing precious days. I am degenerating into a machine for making money. I am learning nothing in this trivial world of men. I must break away and get out into the mountains to learn the news. Another glorious day. The air as delicious to the lungs as nectar to the tongue. The sun shines not on us, but in us. The world, we are told, was made especially for man, a presumption not supported by all the facts. Of all the paths you take in life, make sure a few of them are dirt. As long as I live, I'll hear waterfalls and birds and winds sing. I'll interpret the rocks, learn the language of flood, storm, and the avalanche. I'll acquaint myself with the glaciers and wild gardens, and get as near the heart of the world as I can. Between every two pines is a doorway to a new world. Handle a book as a bee does a flower. Extract its sweetness, but do not damage it. We are now in the mountains, and they are in us, kindling enthusiasm, making every nerve quiver, filling every pore and cell of us. Going to the mountains is going home. Another glorious Sierra day in which one seems to be dissolved and absorbed and sent pulsing onward we know not where. Life seems neither long nor short, and we take no more heed to save time or make haste than do the trees and stars. This is true freedom, a good practical sort of immortality. There is a love of wild nature in everybody. An ancient mother love showing itself whether recognized or no, and however covered by cares and duties. Earth has no sorrow that earth cannot heal. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Everybody needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and cheer and give strength to body and soul alike. There is not a fragment in all nature, for every relative fragment of one thing is a full harmonious unit in itself. Not blind opposition to progress, but opposition to blind progress. I care to live only to entice people to look at nature's loveliness. Who wouldn't be a mountaineer? Up here all the world's prizes seem nothing. One day's exposure to mountains is better than a cartload of books. One should go to the woods for safety, if for nothing else. Every hidden cell is throbbing with music and life, every fiber thrilling like harp strings. God has cared for these trees, saved them from drought, disease, avalanches, and 1,000 tempests and floods, but He cannot save them from fool. How narrow we selfish, conceited creatures are in our sympathies! How blind to the rights of all the rest of creation! Most people who travel look only at what they are directed to look at. Great is the power of the guidebook maker, however ignorant. Riding is like the life of a glacier, one eternal grind. Come to the woods, for here is rest. There is no repose like that of the green deep woods. Sleep in forgetfulness of all ill. Raindrops blossom brilliantly in the rainbow and change to flowers in the sod, but snow comes in full flower direct from the dark, frozen sky. Walk away quietly in any direction and taste the freedom of the mountaineer. I ran home in the moonlight with firm strides, for the sun love made me strong. All the world was before me, and every day was a holiday, so it did not seem important to which one of the world's wildernesses I first should wander. Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. In drying plants, botanists often dry themselves. Dry words and dry facts will not fire hearts. Beauty beyond thought everywhere, beneath, above, made and being made forever.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment. Click the subscribe button to get more videos like this one.